one. This is compost chicken greens plus, in this case, plus another PoshMark. And this one today, didn't quite wreck my fingernail. This is not Scentsy. I don't do Scentsy much. I've had similar stuff, it's pretty good. But this is from PoshMark. Oops. And here we go. This is a dog or cat friendly listing. Very cute. Oh, this is from my aunt. Oh, and that's the sound of the cat. His name is George, King George, Georgie Porgy, asshole. Anyways, he's here for a few days more until he maybe calms down, because he wasn't allowed to go to the neighbor's house. The neighbor got a kitten and told my dad and my aunt, don't let your cat come over to our house anymore. We have a kitten. Well, that's not going over well with Georgie Porgy. He was being very cranky and was taking it out on the other cats. So my dad brought him here. This is quite lovely, isn't it? It's from my aunt. And I got this extra big. I haven't decided whether I'm going to brand it at some point with our brand's logo. We don't have a logo yet. I might get one designed or design on, or even just put the words on it. Or I might keep it for myself, or I might, I don't know. Oh yes, Norwex. This, ladies and gentlemen, on the Norwex website is $19, and I got this for $9. PoshMark, ladies and gentlemen, PoshMark. This is also from my auntie, as she loves cats. And it's a Christmas card gift, too. Very nice, very styling. And it should fit her just fine. She is not a 3X, but she has scoliosis and can't move her arms or back very well, so makes it easier for her to put them on. And here is a large shirt. Again, this is likely going to end up branded with our stuff on it, with our logo and name, Active Zone Essentials. And this was, I think, something like half price. Again, PoshMark. You can get it from Norwex. In some cases, you can get it from PoshMark and pay way, way less. This is for me. It is a lady small. Seem to be, definitely fit differently depending on the brand. Some of it is way too big, even though it says small, and some of it is really tight, even though it says it's small or even medium. So, and very nice. And very styling. There we go. And these are huge. I wasn't sure if they had a drawstring. They don't. But I know somebody who could wear these right now. And I would want to get them branded. Hopefully she loses too much weight before then, but we'll see. And then we have these, which were, I'm pretty sure, $10 cheaper than, or even more than on the website. Very nice. Very, very nice. And very good prices. And same with these. This is a 3-pack. I believe they're like $25 or something, or maybe a bit more. I can't remember. On the Norwex website. And I paid way, way less than that. I think something like half price. Oh, this phone is annoying. There. Yes. Very nice. Way less. And then this was just a little cute something. Thank you for your purchase. I think it was a throw-in. I can't remember. I have to look it up. But I will leave a link in the description to her lovely, lovely closet, so you can put money in her piggy bank and buy yourself some really nice stuff for really nice prices. And I'm hoping everyone has a wonderful morning, afternoon, evening, and night. Whenever, wherever, and whomever you are, stay awesome. Stay adventurous. Bye.